The AEOCKY 80 Pint Smart Dehumidifier is a standout performer in the world of home climate control. What immediately sets it apart is its highly efficient Energy Star rating. This isn't just a label, it translates directly into tangible savings on your electricity bill. In today's world, where energy costs are a constant concern, having an appliance that actively works to reduce consumption while performing optimally is a significant advantage. It's a smart investment that pays for itself over time through lower operating costs, making it a responsible choice for your wallet and the environment. Beyond its energy efficiency, the AEOCKY Dehumidifier truly lives up to its smart designation with its intelligent humidistat. This feature is incredibly convenient and effective. You simply set your desired humidity level, and the dehumidifier automatically adjusts its operation to maintain that optimal environment. No more constantly monitoring humidity or manually adjusting settings. The unit does the heavy lifting for you. This consistent maintenance of ideal humidity levels is crucial for preventing mold growth, reducing allergens, and creating a more comfortable living space overall. It's a set-it-and-forget-it solution that delivers consistent, healthy air quality. Another compelling reason to consider the AEOCKY 80 Pint Smart Dehumidifier is its exceptional 3-year warranty for free replacement. In an industry where warranties often fall short, this coverage significantly exceeds market standards. This extended warranty provides incredible peace of mind, demonstrating the manufacturer's confidence in the product's durability and reliability. Knowing that you're covered for a full 3 years, with a free replacement if needed, removes any hesitation about a long-term investment. It underscores a commitment to customer satisfaction that is rarely seen, offering a layer of protection that truly distinguishes this dehumidifier from its competitors. This unit combines superior performance, smart technology, and an unparalleled commitment to customer support, making it an excellent choice for any home in need of effective humidity control.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.